given example is bracket 2 plus 6 multiplied by 3 bracket square divided by 10 minus 5. This example how much solve the final answer. So first we will be learn with board mass rule, then we will be solve this example board mass rule. Board mass rule means B bracket, so simple bracket, curly bracket and square bracket. Then we will be orders means indices, roots, exponents and power. D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. We will be this order right left to right. So first we will be solve this bracket, but inner bracket in first we solve be the multiplication. So bracket 2 plus 6 into 3 how much? So 6 into 3 is 18. Bracket square divided by 10 minus 5. So will be inner bracket in first will be solved. 2 plus 18 is equal to 20. Bracket square divided by 10 minus 5. So 20 bracket square 20 square is how much? So 400 is 20 square is 400 divided by 10 minus 5. So these are right to be 400 divided by 10 and minus 5. So 0 0 this cancel and 40 minus 5. So final answer is how much? 35. 40 minus 5 is equal to 35, and this expression example will be right answer is 35. And so you are new viewers, so please subscribe the channel, like a video and share this video. Thank you.